Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a safety vest, and I want to show you guys what we've got here. I opened it up just because it's got my address label and everything on the outside, and I wanted you guys to be able to see it, but I haven't opened anything inside of it yet other than the outside. So let's open the stuff up here and see what we can do. So in here we have a gas cylinder set, and then we have our vest. So these are like a life vest. So this is like the newest style. So it's like totally unobtrusive. You can wear it and you can use it boating and stuff like that. I think it's certified for most everywhere at this point, but it's cool. So let's see what we got here. We have this. I can take that off. I can put this around. Do I have to go through? Let me just look at these instructions and make sure I'm wearing it correctly. But the idea is, I guess it's got a lot of straps and things to get to it. So I could put this around my back and around like this, I guess. So I can wear it like so. So there. So now I'm wearing it. Let me back down here. So there you can see it goes around my back. And I can clip it up front here. And then I just wear this, and it's pretty nice and small and easygoing and not obtrusive at all because it's not inflated. And the way it works is then you can just yank on this, and what it'll do is it'll pull in here. There's the a little, is the cartridge on there yet? Yeah, there is a cartridge in there, I think, right now. Oh yeah, there is, it's right there. And so what it'll do is it'll instantly fill it up with air as I pull it down. And I think I don't know if these are activated. Sometimes they're activated with the air as well, or with the water, and sometimes they are not. But I think this one here you just pull to make it go. Let's see, where am I at here? It's fold up like this and this. And so what it'll do is these things here are all, little air pockets, and so it will just fill me up with air, and then I am good. So what's this one here? I guess that's just a good hanging thing there. So let's see what we got here. It says inflatable life jacket. Oh, yeah, pretty much is what I said. I don't think there's anything too magical about it that we haven't tried. I mean, you could go a little tighter than I have it. And then let's see what we have here in the gas cylinder set. Comes with just an extra cylinder. At least, is it one? Yeah, just one extra cylinder it comes with, so that's good. So you get a couple of uses out of it. But if you need to, you can always just buy these cylinders. They're everywhere. It's just, it does the same kind of ones used for seltzer and whatnot and everything else. So that's it. It says avoid direct sunlight, store in a ventilated and dry place. Well, just whatever. So that's it. So it's pretty cool. So you'll use it as a vest, and it just kind of sits there and doesn't do much until you need it. And then when you do, everything will kind of inflate, and you'll have a nice vest. I think these things here, these sides will pop open because it'll have all the pressure in it, and it'll end up being a full vest, like you see like that. It's just going to be a very vest. Oh, you can blow it up by mouth as well if you want to. So when it needs it, it opens all up as a big regular vest, and then otherwise, and it'll just pop itself open and Velcro, and it's going to have a lot of pressure from the thing. So really cool. I love these things. These things are great for boating and stuff, just because they're so much more comfortable than having the big cumbersome ones. And these are great. So if you're going to the water, going on a boat, going to hang out, whatever, or you just want to just have one, whatever. These are great to have and super cool if you're into paddle boarding or boating and they always make you wear a life preserver. Well, this is the way to do it without having to have such a huge cumbersome one. So totally good. I like it. Thumbs up for sure.